Okay, car day. So we're replacing a crankshaft position sensor. This thing was pretty bad. Looked like I pulled it out of La Brea tar pits, and I'm gonna do the camshaft, and then I'm gonna do the crankshaft one also. So getting that done, and as you can see, I'm on a bit of an incline here on the hill. So common sense, always chalk your tires when you're on an incline or working underneath your vehicle, because common sense will go a long way in keeping you safe, because you really don't want your car rolling over you. Not a very good thing. So just remember to always safety first whenever you're working underneath a vehicle, and you will live a long life and have a better experience working on your car. Yeah, so these are coming out pretty easy. Get the other one done, and then we'll be done and I can go play on the radio.